In this video, I'm going to be talking about the TikTok monetization requirements. So to be able to monetize your TikTok account and make money from the creator fund, what you need to do is be at least 18 years of age, have at least 10,000 followers, and within the last 30 days, you have to have gotten at least 100,000 views. Now that may seem like a lot, but if you're posting consistently and you're at the 10,000 follower mark, you should be able to easily get 100,000 views within a 30-day period, because TikTok is much different compared to like YouTube, where it's much more difficult to get views. If you go to your profile and tap on the three horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner, and then you go to creator tools, and then you tap on analytics, that will just load up for a moment and you'll be able to track how many video views you've gotten and everything like that. Once you've met all those requirements, I believe you can go back to the creator tools, and then you'll see the creator fund option. You can click on that and apply to be in the creator fund. Now I don't have that option showing here on my profile because the creator fund isn't available in my country. But to summarize, you have to be at least 18 years of age, have at least 10,000 followers, and have gotten at least 100,000 views within the last 30 days. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.